Hey guys, so I just got done storming around here. You can see all the paths are flooded out, and I just got done bushwhacking. Come to find out, I didn't have to, as there is a path and it's all flooded out, but didn't have to. So this is now, did not wear my good shoes today, but thank God, but I am now soaking wet, squishy shoes. Oh, the joys of geocaching. Well, I guess at this point it doesn't matter how deep this water really is, because it is now up to my ankles. Yep. All right, well, I'll let you know when I find it. Hopefully it's this way. Bushwhacked for a good 15 minutes and realized it was a freaking paved path, you son of a... So as you can tell, we've had some rain. And here I am standing just a few feet trying to find a cache. If I get swept up in this, I will be headed down that way. If anybody needs to find me, I will probably be that way. Well, I'm gonna mark this one up as a DNF. As you can see, it's been raining, and I didn't really come too prepared for a rain thing. I think I got some 7-minute itch, which I usually don't get. I'm gonna call it a day. So in my search, as I'm looking, I saw this. I was like, oh, I think I found it. It's a little fake bolt. It turns out no, it's actually a bolt. So, yep, definitely gonna call this one a DNF. I even checked the hints, and I even checked with activity logs, and even though it doesn't look it right now, there's a storm coming in, so. All right. Catch you guys next time.